Alhamdulillah before I start cooking.
I am helping to prepare iftar for my family.
I am learning to make a sunnah meal with dates and milk.
I am making dua for barakah in the food.
I am helping my mom cook a large pot of soup to share with our neighbor.
I am washing the vegetables to make sure they are clean.
I am setting the table for dinner after cleaning my hand.
I am sharing food with my brother because sharing is sunnah.
I am making pancakes for breakfast. Alhamdulillah.
I am mixing flour and water to make dough.
I am adding sugar to the cake batter.
I am helping my mom stir the soup.
I am peeling potatoes for dinner.
I am washing fruits to make a salad.
I am learning how to bake cookies. Alhamdulillah.
I am cutting vegetables safely.
Alhamdulillah. I am making a sandwich with cheese and lettuce.
I am tasting the food to check if it needs salt.
I am baking a cake to celebrate Eid with my family and friends.
I thank Allah for the delicious food we have to eat.